Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? I hate eBay International program. They don't know how to ship anything. So I ordered up a computer from a reputable seller in Phoenix. Look how it came to me. Here we go. This one shipped all the way. I'm sure that they did not pack this in Phoenix like this. That's it. 2 cardboard boxes and one single sheet of regular bubble wrap. This thing is toast. See how it's bent in there? Okay, so what's going on here is I ordered this and they sent it to me in their box. So this box went to the eBay International hub, and somebody at that hub decided that this was an appropriate shipping container. Now, I have some questions about. I have some questions about if this has something to do with America. Canada has the same thing with using really cheap labor. I wonder if that had something to do with it. Because, guys, I'm sorry, but my heart is screaming a little bit now. Look how horrible this is. This is one cardboard box in another cardboard. Oh, we got a little more. That isn't even bubble wrap. That isn't even bubble wrap. Guys, there's no way. There's no way that the seller shipped it to me like this, thinking it was going to make it. This guy has a good rating. He's shipped internationally before. You can't ship in state like this. 2 boxes? Okay, guys, I'm sure you've heard about complaints about the eBay International thing. This is my complaint. This sucks. Do better. eBay, come on, do better. I swear to God, this has something to do with the cheap labor that we have right now. There's so many corporations. I hate saying that, but okay. So corporations push for things like cheap labor, things that'll get them ahead. Maybe not necessarily the rest of us. We got a lot of it going on these days. At the same time, this labor just has no. These people with money have no interest in training the labor at all. They just want to buy it and shove them out there. But when you talk to people who've really been around, they know that you got to pay for the right labor. This is just my rant about eBay International. Have a good one, folks. Don't use eBay International.